Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 28, 1917. The acts done in the divine will are suns which illuminate all, and will serve to put in safety those who have a little bit of good will. Continuing in my usual state, my sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, darkness is thick and creatures precipitate more. Even more in this darkness they are digging the precipice in which they will perish. The mind of man has remained blind. It has no more light to look at good, but only at evil, and evil will inundate him and will make him perish. So there where they believe to find escape, they will find death. Ah, my daughter, ah, my daughter."
Then he added,
"The acts done in my will are like suns which illuminate all. And as long as the act of the creature in my will lasts, one more sun shines in the blind minds, and those who have a little bit of good will find the light to escape from the precipice. As for the others, they will all perish. Therefore, in these times of thick darkness, how much good the acts of the creature done in my will do. For those who will escape, it will be only by virtue of these acts."
Having said this, he withdrew. Then he came back again and added,
"I can say of the soul who does my will and lives in it that she is my carriage, and I hold the reins of everything. I hold the reins of her mind, of her affections, of her desires, and I leave not even one of them in her power. And sitting upon her heart in order to be more comfortable, my dominion is complete, and I do whatever I want. Now I make the carriage run, now I make it fly, now it brings me to heaven, now I go around the whole earth, now I stop. Oh, how glorious and victorious I am, and I dominate and rule. But if the soul does not do my will and lives of the human will, the carriage falls apart. She takes the reins away from me, and I remain without dominion, like a poor king cast out of his kingdom, and the enemy takes my place, while the reins remain at the mercy of her own passions."